morning everybody and welcome to today's assembly. It's with some regret that we can't all be in the building together due to the current situation, but obviously this is the next best thing, virtual assemblies. I've got to say I'm really pleased at all the reports I've been receiving of all the good work you've been doing in the community and the fact that you've been embracing all the school initiatives. This week we're trying to get Wright Robinson around the world, so I hope that you'll all be out, active, getting your steps in and adding to the mileage to get the school where it needs to get to on its travels. Without further ado, I'm going to hand over to the Pastoral team and just to wish you all the best in the future and hopefully we'll see each other soon. Thank you.
Good morning Year 7 and welcome to your very first virtual assembly. We are all really excited to be launching this to you today.
We hope you're all doing well during these challenging times.
Today we're going to look at some positive experiences that your year team have been up to during their time at home.
Today's assembly will include some familiar faces, encouraging messages and positive experiences from your year team. We hope that our messages will remind you that there are lots of positive opportunities that you can embrace whilst college is closed due to the current health pandemic. These opportunities can surface in the most simplest of forms and you can also create many of them yourselves at home. We hope that sharing our experiences with you today will inspire and enable you to maintain your positive mindset. Stay tuned and let's take a look at what the year team have been up to. As we move through today's assembly, you'll receive messages from all of your year team. You'll also be able to have a quick look at what they've been up to whilst college has been closed. But firstly, I would like to take this opportunity to wish you and your families well. I hope this assembly provides you with some comfort and reassurance that you are still a key part of Team Wright Robinson. Myself and the year team continue to plan for your return to college and we really hope that this is something that we can all look forward to in the near future. I appreciate that we are currently in very uncertain times, however I trust that you will all continue to build your resilience and develop your mental strength whilst accessing your education from home. This is something that you are all very, very good at. But please remember, whilst college is closed, to continue to adhere to the government's advice and guidance in relation to COVID-19, and please continue to make a positive contribution to Team Wright Robinson where possible. But most importantly, take care and I will hopefully see you all very soon.
Hello Year 7, it's Miss Duckworth. I hope you and your families are all keeping well during these unfamiliar times. I am missing you all lots and I can't wait to welcome you all back to school in the future. Please remember to look after yourselves and step outside to enjoy a local walk as your 1 hour daily exercise like I have. It makes you feel good and clears your mind. I have also been enjoying the extra time with my family. We have been trying new things such as baking, decorating, and I have been helping my daughter with her schoolwork. If you have a sibling, try helping them with their schoolwork. Some days may feel difficult, but by doing just one positive action each day, this will make you feel a lot better. Take care and remember to stay safe everyone, and I will see you all soon.
From me. I hope you're all well and keeping minds and bodies active during these challenging times. While school has been closed, I've been cycling most days and so far I've covered a total of 1,986 miles. This is something I feel has given me a focus and has helped me keep positive mindset during lockdown. I've also been doing jobs around the house and helping the family members with their shopping. Final one for me, I'd like to say I'm missing you all, stay safe and we'll hopefully see you soon.
I hope that you are all well. Remember to keep active both physically and mentally. It does not have to be in the form of physical exercise. You can keep your mind active through reading, completing a word search, completing a Rubik's Cube or drawing. Be positive, stay positive, and positive things will happen. Take care and I'll see you very soon.
Okay, Year 7, and now it's over to you. Use this extra time you have at home to learn a new skill and be creative. Be a problem solver. Set yourself challenges and goals and stay connected. Head over to our social media forums for more tips on how to maintain a positive mindset. We are now on Instagram, Twitter and on YouTube. Alternatively, if you are not allowed on social media, you can access more information on our college website.